Hands up who loves Oracle. Anyone? Anyone? No one. Come on, what about for VirtualBox? Version 5 just came out. So VirtualBox 5 just came out. Some of the new features that one of the things I like about it is that you can actually run VMs headless now. So makes it more useful, so you can run little servers or a lab or serious servers, hell. And that makes it a whole lot more interesting. So some of the new features that they talk about: paravirtualization support for Windows and Linux guests. Now interestingly, they say this improves guest OS performance, blah blah blah, bunch of wank. But they talk about Oracle Linux 7 that it supports, built-in virtualization support on operating systems such as Oracle Linux 7 and Microsoft Windows 7 and newer. Does that mean that they only support, like, have they written some virtualization magic that didn't come out of what they stole out of Red Hat? Out of that their upstream vendor. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see if they've implemented something of their own. I have no idea how to test this at the moment, so if anyone else has tested this or played with it and seen any performance gains out of Red Hat or CentOS, that'll be interesting. I haven't touched Red Hat or CentOS 7 at all yet, so yeah, there's that. Improve CPU utilization. No numbers, no graphs, nothing to show or prove that. So support of USB 3.0 devices. So yeah, I guess that's interesting. Oh, mind you, there are some devices now that are USB 3 only, so that seemed to be anyway. Or maybe I've just got crappy OS, crappy drivers. This is running on Windows. Shh, don't tell anyone. Bidirectional drag and drop support, they've added it for Windows, so that's of interest to me because, shh, don't tell anyone, this box is running on Windows. And I have tested this and it now works. Don't know why it didn't before. That doesn't seem like it was a very complex feature to have added. Disk image encryption. You can encrypt disks. I don't know. Haven't tested that. Don't know what that's about. I did notice, if I pull up this window here, is that they've added an expert mode. I don't even know if that was there before. If it was, I didn't notice it. You go and create a new VM, and you've got the usual guided mode, right? This is your bullshit where you're going to go step by step by step. Well, now you can hit expert mode and just do it all over there. That's pretty cool. I find that interesting. That's about it. That doesn't seem to have warranted a major release number. What was the last version? 4.3 point something? Maybe that should have been a 4.4. I don't know. I don't use this a lot, but I do use it on my Windows machine so that I can test stuff and so that I can actually run Linux on here while I'm still doing Windowsy things. So I do find it useful. What do you think of the new features? Have you used it? Played it? Tested it? Broken it? Let us know. Comments below. And remember, our contest ends in 3 days as of when this video goes up. August the 7th, midnight UTC. We have some entries already. Go and check out our previous videos. I'll see if I can make an annotation link. Somewhere here. There'll be an annotation link to our competition video. There'll be free swag. Go enter.